Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can make our Instagram account public again. For example, previously if you have set your Instagram account private and now if you want to make it public again, so you can do that. In the previous versions of the Instagram app, it is the private option is directly available under the settings, but now it goes like this. Just open the Instagram application and you can see the fourth option at bottom. This is your profile, and under your profile you can click on the three dots at right top corner, three lines, and here down at bottom you will see settings option. You need to click on the settings, and under settings, one two three, third option is privacy. Click on privacy and click on account privacy. See here, so currently my account is a private account. You just need to disable this. Anyone will be able to see your photos, videos and stories. You will no longer need to approve follows, means if anyone sends a follow request, that directly gets accepted. So this is how you can make your account public again with the latest updated app of Instagram. This is as of 2019. I hope you like this and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.